With hundreds of crypto presales every year, how do you know which one will actually deliver real value? In today's video, I'm going to show you why BTC Bull Token could be the best presale to buy in 2025, and why you don't want to miss out. Hey crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the next big opportunity in crypto, today's video is for you. BTC Bull Token is turning heads with its unique approach to meme coins and its promise of real rewards. With Bitcoin on the rise, BTC Bull could be the best presale to jump on in 2025. Let's dive into why. BTC Bull isn't your average meme coin. Sure, it has the community and viral potential, but it's offering something unique: real Bitcoin airdrops. As Bitcoin reaches key milestones like 150K, 200K, and 250K, BTC Bull holders get rewarded with free Bitcoin directly into their wallets. But that's not all. The project is also deflationary, with token burns happening every time Bitcoin increases by 50K, which could potentially increase the value of the token over time. Now, let's talk about the tokenomics. BTC Bull is built on the Ethereum blockchain, which makes it accessible to a wide range of users. The presale has a hard cap of $25,690,088, and you can buy the tokens at the presale price of $0.00235. With this kind of low entry point, you're getting in early before the token goes mainstream. Another reason BTC Bull stands out? The staking options. By staking your BTC Bull tokens, you can earn high APY rewards over the next 2 years. This is a way to earn passive income on your crypto, which is rare in the meme coin space. So, why should you consider buying BTC Bull token in the presale? It's simple. BTC Bull offers an innovative way to profit from Bitcoin's growth, with the added bonus of free Bitcoin airdrops and the potential for significant gains. Plus, with its deflationary token model and staking rewards, this presale could deliver more than just a quick flip. If you're looking for the next big thing in crypto, BTC Bull might just be it. Thanks for watching. If you're excited about BTC Bull, hit that like button and subscribe to stay up to date on all the latest presale news and crypto tips.